Did you know you can wake up clear and alert even if you sleep fewer hours than you do now? Not by forcing yourself to grind, but by training your sleep to work more efficiently. Most people think they need more time in bed. What they actually need is better sleep structure. You know the cycle. You lie down, check one more thing, then the clock jumps ahead. You wake up tired and promise to fix it, but nothing changes. Yet you see people claiming they sleep 5 or 6 hours and feel sharp. It sounds impossible until you understand what is happening inside the brain. Your brain runs through repeating 90-minute cycles. Light sleep, deep sleep, REM. Deep sleep rebuilds your body. REM rebuilds your mind. When your cycles run smoothly, you can wake up ready, even with fewer hours. When your cycles are disrupted by stress, screens, or late caffeine, you can sleep 9 hours and still feel drained. The goal is not longer sleep. The goal is more deep and REM sleep per hour. Here is a simple science-based system that can help. 1. Keep a fixed sleep and wake time. Your brain depends on rhythm. When your schedule is stable, melatonin releases on time and your sleep becomes deeper. Pick a bedtime and wake time and stick to it. Your mornings will feel lighter. 2. Follow the 90-minute cycle rule. Waking in the middle of a cycle makes you groggy. Waking at the end of a cycle makes you alert. Aim for cycle counts. For example, 5 hours is 3 cycles. 6 hours is 4 cycles. 7.5 hours is 5 cycles. Set your alarm based on these numbers. 3. Use a 1-hour shutdown routine. The last hour before sleep sets the tone for the night. Try the 3-2-1 approach. 3 hours before bed, stop heavy meals. 2 hours before bed, stop work. 1 hour before bed, step away from screens. Replace them with a calm activity, warm lighting, or light stretching. This signals your nervous system to slow down. 4. Get natural light as soon as you wake up. Step outside for 10 minutes. Sunlight resets your internal clock and helps your body stop melatonin and start producing alertness hormones. You will feel the difference within minutes. 5. Move your body right after waking. Cold water on your face or quick body weight movements increase dopamine and noradrenaline. These chemicals clear the heavy feeling that hits you in the morning. 3 minutes of activity can change your whole start. Now for extra upgrades used by people who want even better sleep. Limit caffeine after the early afternoon. It stays active for hours and reduces deep sleep, even if you fall asleep easily. Keep your room dark and cool. A temperature around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius supports deeper sleep. Block light or use a sleep mask if needed. If you want supplements, magnesium glycinate is often used to support relaxation. Some people also use herbal tea. Check with a doctor before you use any of these. Clear your mind before bed. Write down anything that is bothering you or any task you need to remember. This pulls your brain out of alert mode and makes it easier to enter deeper sleep. The shift you need is simple. Sleep is not wasted time. It is the foundation of your focus and your energy. When your sleep becomes efficient, your time expands. You get more done. You think better. You feel lighter. You can train your sleep to give you stronger mornings with fewer hours. When you start waking up clear before your alarm, you will understand what quality rest feels like. Subscribe for more videos like this.